Hello Crypto Gamer, today I'm sharing with Boton Dojo or Shuriken aka Boton Dojo. Okay, daily combo for September 17, 2024. Okay, the first card which is Spine Vulnerabilities, this one. Okay, and then for the second one which is then go to create a staking pool. This one, the second card. Okay, here we go. And then for the last card, okay, go to launch section and then move at the bottom. Okay, this one, see monitor social medias. Okay, here we go. This is the best 3 card for Shuriken in September 17. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.